Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a dedicated stop sprite for the stage. Create a stop sprite sized 80 by 60 pixels and place it at 200, 140 near the top right corner. Use a bright color and a visible label reading stop in 24-point font for clarity. Set the sprite to not rotate and to stay on top of other sprites. Save the costume as stop button so you can reference it easily in scripts later. Add an immediate click handler to detect direct clicks. Use when this sprite clicked to broadcast stop when the stop sprite is clicked. Also add a background process that polls mouse X and mouse Y every 1 seconds to detect outside clicks or touch events. Compare the pointer position to the stop sprite using a 20-pixel radius for reliable detection. Keep each check light to avoid lag. This dual method ensures clicks are caught even during fast animations. When the stop event is detected, broadcast a global stop message immediately. Broadcast a stop message and have every script respond with stop all or stop this script depending on desired behavior. For UI feedback, fade the stop sprite out over 5 seconds and set a Boolean variable called stopped to true. Use that variable to prevent new scripts from starting. Finally, reset important variables and clear any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.